All right, so next we're going to show you how to use the document cameras that are in the classrooms. So every classroom has a document camera. Some of them are older, but today we're going to be demonstrating on one of the newer ones made by AVerMedia. These are a little bit more complex. They have some more features. So we'll show you how to use these, and then the old ones will be much easier to use. But every classroom has a document camera. It is always located in the side of the podium like this, and sometimes you have to twist the handle, sometimes you don't, and it just pulls out like so. So let's get a close-up on the document camera, and I'll show you what the different features are. All right, so we are looking at the AVerMedia document camera. Like I said, this is one of the newer ones. But there is one like this in every classroom. Some of these have remotes with them. This one does not, but the remote basically has the same functions as this button panel here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to press that big silver button on the side right there. That'll turn it on. As you see, it's going to flash, and then that's going to turn to green, meaning that it's on. So this is the light box. This also has a power switch. We just flip that, turns the light on. And then we can bring the arm up, extend it, adjust it however we need. We can even, go so as far as to adjust it. There you go, like that. Like I said, this newer model is pretty flexible. It can do all sorts of cool things that I'll show you in a second, but it's really flexible, so it should be easy to get it into the position that you need. So there's a couple cool features on these newer models of document cameras. The first one is an autofocus button, and that one happens to be right here. If you're looking at it, you'll be able to see it a lot easier than on this camera, but you just press it, and it'll automatically focus in on the document or whatever you're trying to show. The next cool feature is that you can zoom in and zoom out of the document. So you can zoom in on a part so it's easier to read, zoom back out so you can see the whole thing. That's kind of handy because it just gives you more flexibility. And then the last cool feature is that it has an extra lamp. So you have two different light sources actually that you can use. So you can use the lamp from the head of the document camera, or you can use the light box, depending on what kind of paper or transparency or whatever that it happens to be on. One may work better than the other. So that's basically how you use the document camera in the classroom. You just turn that silver button on again, and that's going to change back to red, meaning that it's off. And then you just fold the arm back up like this, and then watch that cable because it can get caught, and just push it back in. And that is how you use the AVerMedia document cameras in the classroom. All right, so next we're going to show you how to use the document cameras that are in the classrooms. So every classroom has a document camera. Some of them are older, but today we're going to be demonstrating on one of the newer ones made by AVerMedia. These are a little bit more complex. They have